Good morning, all of you. Today's lecture Inorganic Chemistry, MCTI 302, Nuclear Chemistry. Unit first, Systematic of Alpha, Beta, and Gamma decay. Beta decay and neutrino hypothesis. Synergent curve. Neutrino hypothesis. Instead of giving up the conversion of energy, momentum, and angular momentum, Wolfgang Pauli threshold a new particles called neutrino in 1930. Beta decay and neutrino hypothesis. The nucleus of an atom may be unstable because of lower and higher value of neutron to proton ratio than that required for stable nuclei. Beta decay is a spontaneous reaction. Then, in case of nuclei having higher value of neutron to proton ratio than that required for stable nuclei, a neutron is converted into proton along with emission of beta particle. The beta particle is an electron of nuclear origin. Beta decay can be represented as X parent nuclei, Z atomic number, A mass number gives Y daughter nuclei, Z plus 1 atomic number increased by 1 unit, A mass number, and E electron emitted or beta particle and some amount of energy. Then neutron converted to proton plus beta particle emitted. Example are bismuth 83 210 to polonium 84 210 plus electron or beta particle emitted and 1.17 million electron volt energy expelled out. Then this energy are also called as Q. This Q energy calculated at Einstein equation, Q is equal to delta mc square. Then delta m is equal to mass of parent nuclei minus mass of daughter nuclei. According to this equation, the energy of emitted beta particle should be 1.17 million electron volt. However, experimentally the energy of beta particle emitting equation is found to be vary continuously between 0 and maximum value 1.17 million electron volt called as end point. Further, during beta decay of nucleus, the spin conversion principle is violated as each of the three particles proton, electron and neutron are Fermions and passes spin equal. Diagrammatically represent graphical. These are y-axis, these are x-axis. Graph are segment curve. Y-axis in relative number of beta particle, x-axis energy of beta particle. Then shown this point beta particle are more emitted and this energy 0, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 and so on. Then shows 0 to this point energy is kinetic energy by experimental, and then This point energy is Q, or also called as endpoint energy or kinetic experimental energy endpoint. And then shown this point to this point energy, kinetic energy, are missing. Then further, during beta decay of nucleus, the spin conversion principle is violated, as each to the three particles, proton, electron and neutron, are Fermions and passes spin equal to 1/2. But this equation, neutron convert to proton and beta particle, neutron spin 1/2 is not equal to proton spin 1/2 plus electron spin 1/2. Further, during beta decay of nucleus, the linear momentum conservation principle is violated, and direction of daughter nucleus of beta particle were not exactly opposite to each other. Diagrammatically explain. These are parent nuclei, for example bismuth, produtted, polonium, emitted beta particle, and these two further during beta decay of nucleus, the linear momentum conversion principle is violated, as direction of true nucleus and beta particle were not exactly opposite to each other. Since so in beta decay process, thus was three physical law violated. Firstly, conservation of energy. Second, conservation of spin. Third, conservation of linear momentum. Then first, conservation of energy. This kinetic energy, missing energy, then explain Pauli to new particle. Then conservation of spin. Conservation of spin, 1/2 neutron, 1/2 gives proton, 1/2 plus electron, 1/2 plus unknown particle, 1/2, then 1/2 is equal to 3 1/2, and then half integral value of spin to obey conservation of spin in physical law. And last one, conservation of linear momentum. Then third particle are obeys opposite direction of conservation of linear momentum. This problem were overcome by Pauli in 1931. According to him, when a neutron is converted into proton, an uncharged particle or zero rest mass and spin 1/2 called antineutrino and neutrino is also produced along with beta particle. And these new particles are characteristics. New particle are uncharged. Second, tiny small particle or rest mass particle. And third one, fermions, and of these statistical factors obey. And last one, third, unknown particles kinetic energy is equal to kinetic energy experimented minus kinetic energy of observer. And new particles and name are Pauli, neutrino and hypothesis, and symbol are nu and nu bar, neutrino and anti-neutrino. Neutrino hypothesis. According to the experiment results, the neutrino has half integral spin. Number of electron charge very small. Next, equation beta decay or minus beta decay, and next my plus beta decay. Minus beta decay increase the atomic number 1 unit and atomic mass as it is, an electron emitted or antineutrino particle emitted. Plus beta decay, atomic mass decreases 1 unit and mass number as it is, and emitted 1 positron and neutrino. Determination of neutrino and antineutrino necessary because of conservation of lepton number. Lepton number L is equal to 1 and anti-lepton number L is equal to minus 1. Neutrino hypothesis. And we will explain Pauli nuclear energy configurational diagram. Nuclear energy configurational diagram. These are nuclear energy configurational diagram. First, with Kroc model, cut down to Kroc reaction, minus beta decay, plus beta decay. Minus beta decay, plus beta decay. With Kroc, cut down to Kroc reaction. Then first, proton conversion to neutron, then positron emission or plus beta decay. Then proton converts lower energy level and produce proton to neutron. And then minus beta decay or electron emission beta decay, neutron converts to proton and lower energy level, and then another atom or another nuclear more stable. And charge of Kroc system, Q energy Kroc is equal to 2 by 3 electrons, and QD up Kroc and down Kroc. QU up Kroc 2 by 3 electrons and QD down Kroc is equal to minus 1 by 3 electrons. Beta decay and neutrino hypothesis segment curve. These are curve. Number of electrons or beta particle emitted y-axis and energy are x-axis. Endpoint spectrum or Q value or endpoint or energy experimental endpoint, and then observer spectrum energies. And next, neutron another graph, number of beta particles and total energy to decay process kinetic energy. Thank you.